So here we are at the bottom of Western Europe's tallest building. It's the Shard, 300 odd metres of glass here in central London. And one thing you absolutely must do these days when you build a tall building is stick an observation gallery right at the top. Come on. The latest addition to London's skyline, the Shard is a giant structure covered by 8 football pitches worth of glass, which towers over its surroundings and provides an excellent vantage point for its visitors. On the way up, you pass through some of the city's most famous roofs and ceilings, including St Paul's Cathedral and the Royal Albert Hall. It's a pretty speedy ascent. Each of the 2 lift journeys lasts less than 30 seconds. So here we are at the observation gallery. It's the highest accessible point of the building, but we're still not at the top. Up there's 30 more floors of machinery and general building paraphernalia. But I have to say, the view is pretty spectacular, isn't it? It seems we've chosen London's one good day of the year to come up here. And if any Londoners are watching, just to clarify, that thing you can see in the distance there is called the Horizon. And this being a very modern building, it has all the latest modern touristy mod cons, including these. I need to introduce you now to the augmented reality telescopes. More of a digital camera with a zoom lens than an actual telescope, but point one at any landmark and it will overlay information in real time. Now this is actually very similar to the augmented reality apps that have become popular on smartphones, where the software works out what object you're looking at and adds information accordingly. A great experience in clear conditions, but at other times of the year, this is what you're more likely to see. And that's when these telescopes really come into their own. You can switch between different modes, not only to see a clearer view, but also to get a feeling of what the city looks like at different times of the day. For each of these, what you actually get is an enormous photograph. It's about 1.3 gigapixels. They've stitched together lots of smaller photographs to form each of these views, and then you can pan around those in the same way that you can the live image. Visitors spend on average an hour at the gallery perusing all of this information and exploring the weatherproof images, something you might expect having just paid the £25 entrance fee.